Morning, children. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Yes. Today we will be doing practice book. Are you ready with your books, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I think we completed till worksheet 15. 15 was homework for you. That is a puzzle. And that I gave you for homework. So we'll start with worksheet 16. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Worksheet 16. We are doing phrases and clauses. We did adverb clause, noun clause, and adjective clause. Yes? Now we will be doing this. Worksheet 16. Now the use of semicolon. We notice that semicolon is followed by words therefore or nevertheless in the above sentences, like she was late, semicolon, therefore, comma, she was punished. Or the other example is Shalini loves cooking, semicolon, nevertheless, comma, she does not get many opportunities to cook. Now, you have noticed that these are followed by either therefore or nevertheless. Such words connect independent clauses. Now, how are the independent clauses connected? By the word therefore or nevertheless. They help us to make the relationship between the clauses clear. Other such words are moreover, consequently, otherwise. Now, these are other words which join two independent clauses. Yes? Now, we will join two independent clauses using these. Okay. In the 8 box, you can see consequently, moreover, however, but, otherwise, therefore. Yes. Now I'm giving you 1 minute time. Can you do this? Which word will be going with these sentences? Connect these two independent clauses. It rained for 2 hours, dash, the weather remained hot. Now what will come here?
Ma'am, but
I'm giving you 1 minute time, just go through it. Yes, because if, once you complete all the sentences, then only it will be clear.
Ma'am, which number I have joined late? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me.
Yes, first one. It rained for 2 hours, the weather remained hot. What will you write?
ma'am, it rained for
Yes.
2 hours, but the weather is
Huh? It rained for 2 hours,
Ma'am.
but the weather remained hot. Okay.
hot.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Otherwise, we will miss the train. He reached late. Moreover, he forgot to bring his papers. He works hard to save money. However, his wife is a spendthrift. There was a famine in the village. Consequently, the villagers left the village.
Ma'am, fifth repeat again.
Written? So why these children are not recording? Pause. Yes, what are you saying, children?
What's the meaning of consequently?
What is the meaning of?
Consequently. Ma'am, your voice are not coming.
Ma'am, you are muted.